This is what happens when you turn a Fiat Ducato into an incredible home on wheels. Hey everyone, and welcome to Ronnie's Roaming. And yes, she is ready. I don't want to waste any time. This is my new apartment, my campervan. And to understand how far we've come, I have to show you something. It was impossible, right? It was just an empty, dirty builder's van. A compact kitchen but with everything: sink, fridge and space for a meal prep. The chilling area that transforms into a dining area and also a bed. And of course, the 2 double beds. That was just a quick taste. If you like what you saw and want to know how I built this van, please subscribe to our channel. On my next video, I will be diving deep into the electrical system. Thanks for watching. See you on the road.